Welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Isha Jain. In this video, we will study about the induction regarding the entrepreneurial firms. Okay? So when we are talking about the startups or the entrepreneurial firms, so we will study the process of induction here for those particular firms. An employee should not be put on the job immediately after joining. An induction program helps to orient the employees and allows them to understand the company and their new job. So in addition to learning their way around, information should be provided to enable them to contribute to the growth of the company very early. So a good induction program should have the following processes. Number one is the signing of document. Now new employees are asked to go through the service rules and other related documents. During joining, they have to sign on a document that lists all the service conditions and responsibilities of the employee and the employer. So it is a good idea to get the new employee to sign a NDA. NDA is non-disclosure agreement to protect proprietary information and intellectual property of the company. The next step is the narration about the company. Now a short talk should be given to introduce the new employee to the business of the company, their beliefs and their long-term goals. The talk should include details of quality policy, then current clients and the safety norms. These are all are the very essential things. So some large companies use a full multimedia assisted presentation as well. Then the next step is the tour around the office. Now a guided tour around the place of business will enable the new employees to feel the pulse of the place. Observing other employees at work will expose them to the standards and commitment expected of them. So the areas of particular interest to the employees would be the canteen area, recreation room and the workstations likely to be assigned to them. Then in the first few days on the job, a mentor should be assigned to help the new employee to adjust to the new job and also to ensure that the new recruit is capable of doing the job he or she has been hired for. So depending on the kind of job, this mentoring can take from a few hours to more than a few months. Obviously, a detailed induction program as discussed here would not be possible for the first few employees in a startup. In that case, the induction plan has to be conducted personally by the entrepreneur, and the employees of this first have to be educated on their responsibilities to take care of the subsequent employees. So that's all about the induction process. If you have any doubt, please write your doubts or the suggestions in the comment section. Please like and subscribe the video or subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.